This video will show you how to disable the display mode feature on your LG refrigerator. Display mode is a showcase feature that disables the cooling system in the refrigerator and freezer sections to conserve energy while on display in a retail store, allowing the refrigerator lights and control panel to remain active while the cooling system is off. When plugging in your LG refrigerator for the first time, check to see if the control panel shows the letters OFF. This indicates the refrigerator's cooling system is off and in display mode. To disable this function, first open the right refrigerator door. Hold down the refrigerator and Ice Plus button at the same time for several seconds. The control panel display will switch over to its normal setting and you will hear the refrigerator's dispenser initialize. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.